This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.